Okay guys, we're back in front of this embroidery machine, brother slash baby lock. I'm going to talk about problems that I see a lot with the embroidery. If your embroidery design is jumping or the hoop is moving, you get to the end of the design or the middle of the design and your outline is off or your hoop is moved. I'm going to show you some of the culprits that I see a lot. So these machines have two different gear sets. You can see both of them here. One here and one here on this particular unit. This gear set here drives this mechanism left and right. This one drives it forward and backwards. Those are the only two motors that move the whole embroidery while it's doing the embroidery and monogramming. But here's what happens. There, little piece of lint particles and dirt particles or even thread that can get stuck in between these gears and on this big rotating gear here, and they'll get stuck in between there. And what happens is, you can't really see it, but these are a two-piece gear set. I'll try to get some light over there, but if you can see, this is one gear and there's a gear set behind it. So it's designed where it has a spring back here in this gear and it kind of separates, so it won't really break this gear. It will kind of just move the two separate pieces apart. But what happens is it will jump a notch, which isn't a huge deal for the timing of your machine or anything, but what happens is that's when it messes up the design. So it's very crucial that you clean all these teeth out in both of these gear sets on your machine to get everything out of there to cause the machine from jumping. Now I'm going to show you some things here. This is white grease from the factory here. This just splashed over. So what I'm saying is this is the white grease here. This black stuff, it's not supposed to be here. It's just a combination of lint and trash and debris. That gear is supposed to be coated with that white grease, but it should not be black like that. So you can get I like to grab these little brushes here. It's just really a paintbrush from your hardware store, your Joann's, Michael's craft store, and you can get in there and clean out in between these little teeth really nice with it. Clean it out, then I clean the brush off on a paper towel. You can grab this white gear with the machine off, turn it a couple notches here, clean it out again, turn it a couple notches. I'm not going into great details, but this is just for the video purposes only. Make sure these gears are clean. I've got another video that will show you how to reapply the lubricant for these gears, but it's crucial that you get all the dirt particles out from the machine. I've seen it as bad as the gear set will have lint and trash compacted in every tooth, and you'll literally have to get a needle or a pin or a small tension screwdriver and literally pry the dirt out of these little teeth. So make sure all these little teeth are clean in this brass gear. You'd be surprised how much comes off of that gear once you go to clean it. So that is a crucial step on this machine as far as the cleaning and the lubrication and stuff goes. It's just one of those details that you don't want to overlook when you've got this machine completely apart. And take your time and clean between these gears and make sure everything is spotless.